If you want to turn on Apple Intelligence AI on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how to do that. And also in this video, I will show you how to enable Apple Intelligence by simply saying, "Hey Siri," just like that. So let's get started. Now to do that, just go to Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now to enable Apple Intelligence, just enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence. Now if it is your first time using Apple Intelligence, it will show a text instead of this toggle which says Enable or Set up Apple Intelligence. Just tap on it to enable Apple Intelligence. Now if you want to use Apple Intelligence using your voice, just tap on Talk and type to Siri, then enable Hey Siri. Tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. And after you do that, you will be able to enable Apple Intelligence by just saying, Hey Siri. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled Apple Intelligence on our iPhone. What's the weather in Chicago? And you can also enable Apple Intelligence by pressing and holding the side button on your iPhone. As you can see, we have enabled Apple Intelligence by pressing and holding the side button. Now sometimes a glitch might appear on your iPhone, and because of it, it will show Siri instead of Apple Intelligence. Now to fix this issue, just go to Settings and disable Apple Intelligence from Settings. As you can see, this is the toggle for Apple Intelligence. Just disable it and wait for a few seconds and enable it back on. And if this did not fix your issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And this is how you can turn on Apple Intelligence AI on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.